Hey, if you found this video, there's a very good chance that you're looking to make money by selling on Amazon. And today I'm going to talk about the fastest and possibly easiest way to hit six figures doing exactly that. And we do it with the help of a course named the Wholesale Formula. So sit back and relax. We're going to take a deep dive into what the course teaches and what it covers. And at the end, I have some bonuses for you that are only available for a limited time. So make sure you stick around to the end. Hey, welcome back guys. My name is Dom Bavaro and I run the Datapreneur YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk about internet marketing and making money online. That's because I started my online business as a way to make some money while spending a ton of time with my kids. So if that sounds appealing to you, give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. I make a new video every single week. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, let's get down to business. The Wholesale Formula is a course designed to teach you the wholesaling method of Amazon FBA. Now, Dan and Dylan have been wholesaling on Amazon for years, and this course collectively has helped 521 people earn over $100 million collectively. Now, if you've never heard of Amazon wholesaling, that's okay. We're gonna jump into my computer real quick and I'll show you exactly how it works. All right, guys, so here we are on the Amazon homepage. Now, before I get into the actual details, let me give you kind of a general idea. So the idea behind this is that we're not creating our own brand here. We're taking a brand that's existing, it has brand equity, and we're selling literally the exact same items bought directly from the manufacturer. So first we're gonna take a name brand item, something like a Ninja blender. This is something that everybody knows. The brand already has a lot of equity. So we're gonna come down here and let's take this Ninja Professional for 90 bucks. We're gonna click on this listing. Now, normally you would look at this listing and go, hey, I'm not some big crazy retail store. I can't possibly sell this. But if you look down here in the offers section, you'll see here, new and used, there's 29 different sellers of this product. And again, there's the one that's in the buy box and then there's 28 others. Our goal is to become another one, say a 30th seller of this item. And to show you how lucrative this could be, we're going to actually hop in. I have a Chrome extension here called Jungle Scout, which analyzes every item on Amazon as long as you search. So if we look over here, we look at the sales data, we've got 5,755 blenders sold every single month. And if we're going to enter the marketplace, we're going to be the 30th seller. So let's say we go 57.55 divided by 30, which means that we can expect to sell about 190 blenders every single month. I'll round this up to 192. This extension also shows that Amazon takes a $25 fee on every blender sold, which means that we're going to net $64, or we're going to gross $64 for every blender that we sell. Now, obviously, we're not getting these blenders for free, but let's say for the sake of example, we can buy them wholesale for about $40 a piece. That'll leave us about a $24 profit per blender. So we take our $24 times 200, and that's an easy $4,800 a month. We don't have to build any kind of a brand. We're already relying on the brand equity that Ninja built. All we have to do is set up a wholesale account, buy some blenders, and list them under the same SKU. It becomes really passive after that. And if you're thinking this really isn't that much money, you could do this with 10 products relatively easy, and I'll let you do the math on that one. But now I bet you're thinking it's very hard to get a wholesale account with Ninja or with another brand name. And that's really where the rubber meets the road with the Wholesale Formula. We're here inside the back end here of the course, and down here there are actually two modules that are about value propositions, which is making yourself attractive to that wholesaler and giving them a reason why they should allow you to wholesale the same product. This is probably the most valuable module inside the course. And then number 5 is actually how to get those products from the wholesaler to yourself. But we're jumping the gun a little bit. Before contacting any suppliers, we need to know which products sell and which ones we can sell profitably. That's where Module 2 comes in. Module 2 will give you a step-by-step process on going through the hundreds of thousands of products on Amazon so that you can actually identify the most profitable niches and find the most profitable products. You'll be able to look at an Amazon listing and say, hey, this is a good product for me to sell, or no, I should pass, there's too much competition. But let's back it up even further than that. Let's assume that you are a complete beginner who's never run an online business of any kind before. That's the kind of assumption that Dan and Dylan make when they made this course. Here in Module 1, they will show you exactly the paperwork that you need to get filed, get your business license, get your reseller's license, how to form an LLC, and get all of your legal paperwork in order so that you're doing this the right way. By doing all of your paperwork correctly, it makes you appear that much more legitimate to your suppliers, and it also limits your legal liabilities. My favorite part about this module is actually at the end here, where they teach you all the terminology and how to communicate efficiently with your wholesalers. So that's a general overview of the course, but what about that one-to-one backend support that I talked about earlier? To make sure that you have all the support that you need while going through the wholesale formula, there's a couple things that Dylan and Dan have set up for you. The first of which is a private Facebook community. Remember those 521 people who've collectively sold over $100 million? They're all inside of this group. This is a group where you can go in, tell people what you're dealing with, tell people where you're getting stuck, and kind of network with the community and get past any hurdle that you're currently facing. The only way you can get into this group is by buying the course. That way that you know everybody in that course has gone through the exact same trials and tribulations that you've gone through. If you're having any kind of technical issues, they have a technical support line dedicated just for that. And lastly, they do live office hours every Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern. Inside that Facebook group I talked about, Dylan and Dan go live, and you can do a live Q&A session, ask questions, and get past any hurdles that you might be facing live and in real time. There really is no reason for you not to succeed by partaking in this course. But what about those bonuses I mentioned at the beginning of the video? Well, they're only available until February 25th, and I'm going to make you join the webinar to find out what they are. But I can promise you they're killer bonuses. So go into the description, find the link to register for a webinar, and go ahead and register. So there you have it, a comprehensive review of what the wholesale formula has to offer. You'll learn how to build a profitable Amazon FBA business wholesaling, and Dan and Dylan haven't left anything out. However, if you do get stuck along the way, Dan and Dylan have created an excellent back-end support system to help you out and get unstuck. So again, if the wholesale formula sounds like something you're looking for, click the link in the description and I'll see you on the inside. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, hit the thumbs up button. That way YouTube will show you more of my videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the bell on so you'll get notified as soon as new videos get released every week. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and share this with one friend. And if you want step-by-step instruction over 15 days, check out my link in the description for the Online Business Builder Challenge.